So the first thing we need to do is draw a curved line just to show where the top of the carrot is. Then after we've done that, we can just draw more curved lines going all the way down to the bottom of the carrot. And when you're doing that as well, just make sure that you're going in on a slight angle so that the bottom of the carrot ends up thinner than the top. And then just go ahead and do the same with the other side. Now the next thing I'm going to do is just add some detail on the inside of the carrot. And basically where those curved lines connect with each other, you need to draw another curved line coming in towards the center. And then just add a few more lines in the middle like this. And I might actually delete this line right at the top just to make room for the face. Okay, so now it's time to draw the face. And today I'm going to draw closed eyes, but they're still going to be happy. And now I'm going to move on to the mouth, and I'm going to draw a big open mouth smile. And I've actually done a video showing you exactly how to draw this type of smile before. So if you're interested in that, all you need to do is click on the link in the description below. And then just before I finish, I'm just going to add the roots on top. And these can actually be made to look a little bit like hair. And that's it, how to draw a cute cartoon carrot. If you enjoyed that video and want to see more, click on the subscribe button below because there's going to be loads more videos like this one coming up.